Hello everyone, welcome back to Nahatals for Better Future. I'm again here with new cue cards with the new predicted cue cards from September 2020 to December 2020. And today we are going to discuss a new topic. Let's see what it is. Describe a line that you remember from poem or song. So, in today's topic, what we are going to do is describing a line, only one line that you remember from a poem or from a song. That you remember means your topic is going to be in past tense because you have learned, you have listened to that song or that poem in your in your past times. So, this topic is in past tense. Today, in my topic, I will discuss only a poem. I'm not going to discuss a song because it's bit difficult to describe a line from a poem, but quite easy to describe a line from a song. And I had queries about this topic, so that's why I have made a video for this topic only. And let's see what are its cues. Number one, it's what it is. So, what's the line? Basically, you have to describe here. What poem is it from? What kind of poem is it? That you have to describe its category. We will discuss when we will do model answer. How you know about it, and how do you know about this poem, about this line, or about this song? Then, how you feel about it? What you feel about this poem or about this line? There are number of ideas that you can choose from. Number one is like nursery rhyme when we are in schools when we start our school we learn number of rhymes, number of poems, so that you can choose from your nursery rhymes if you remember those. A poem from elementary school, when a child goes to elementary school, let's say from grade 2 to 5, again there are some poems or rhymes in your curriculum, so you can choose one from that if you remember very well. Historical poem relates to your history or culture. Patriotic poem is that relates to patriotism, that relates to your willingness to your nation, your country. You can take that line from that patriotic poem. National song or anthem, like in India, every morning after assembly there is national anthem. So people from India must know about those lines of that national anthem. You can talk about that as well. Motivational song, it could be any motivational song, any religious song. So these are a few ideas you can choose from, and you can make up your own idea, your own cue card. Let's see how to utilize our 1 minute. Time to do brainstorming. So, how you can use this 1 minute while making your ideas. Firstly, what you have to do is think of the line from the poem because the question is a line from a poem or song. I repeat these things because you have to keep in mind that the topic is from a line that you remember. Category of poem or song, then what category it belongs to, name of the poem, name that poem or the song, how it starts. There is particular name, like there are number of poems that you have learned. You can talk about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It's the name of that poem. So then poet, if you remember the poet, then you can talk about that poet or that singer. When did you hear it? So you must be knowing when did you hear that poem or that song. Exactly, sometimes we don't know. Then you can talk it's been few years. I vividly remember, or I have an opaque idea that I heard this poem at that time. So such kind of ideas. How are you aware about this poem and song? So, how did you get to know about this poem? Who told you about this poem, or how did you learn about it? Lastly, how do you feel about it, and what are your feelings about this poem that you can talk about? 1 minute complete, and here comes our model answer. So while starting your model answer, how you can use this line, let's see. Well, at this age, sometimes it becomes hard to think about a poem that one has learned in kindergarten. So you are going to appear in IELTS exam either for academic purpose or for general training. So we are not in that age. We are not young. So it becomes really hard to remember those poems that we have learned in our kindergarten in our schools. So you can start your topic while saying this. Then, however, I am thrilled to speak about this topic as it will take me to my memory lane. So now you are showing your excitement because you are going to speak about any poem it takes to your school time, and you're excited to speak about this topic. And there have been a number of rhymes that I learned during my childhood. Few of these were like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Johnny Johnny, Itsy Bitsy Spider, and many more. So these are few introductory lines. You can talk about few l- uh, few poems that you have learned. Example is given here. And then today I am going to talk about a rhyme that we used to do every morning after assembly in my school. So now you are describing what poem you are going to talk about and when did you hear about it. It's a nursery recitation. So, what kind of poem it is? Nursery recitation starts like if you are happy and you know it. So, this is the title of that poem. Actually, I love this line the most as it always made me smile while reciting it. It was like, if you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. So every time when this line was repeated, it was with a new body part. Like sometimes it was with hands, then with the feet, with the head. So I had to tap my that body part when we used to recite this poem. And we had to tap our body part. So all of us in the classroom had a fun time doing this activity. We used to laugh and repeat the actions with the rhyme. More fun used to be at times when a few of us did wrong actions in excitement and all the classmates burst into laughter. So everyone started laughing when someone did wrong action. Instead of tapping head, they started tapping their feet. So such kind of fun was there. Most importantly, this line used to keep us energetic for the whole day because we used to do that some kind of exercise, tapping our hands, tapping our feet. So we used to do it and it kept us energetic for the whole day. I remember this rhyme always stuck to my mind and I kept on humming it for the rest of the day. I kept on singing for rest of the day because we started our day with this time and it always stuck to my mind. Another funny incident related to this poem I can recall is when I was in grade 1 and my teacher told me to recite this poem in assembly. It happened so I was feeling jittery of public speaking and unconsciously I repeated only first two lines of the poem that were of course my favorite. Undoubtedly, everyone appreciated at that time, but when I returned to my class, my teacher told me and let me rehearse for 5 times in front of class. So the time passed, and that is the line from that poem I remember so far. So this is all about this topic. I hope you learned this topic and how to use a few words, how to connect the lines. So you have learned all those things. I wish you luck for your exam and I will post follow-up questions of this topic in the next video. So stay connected and good luck for your exam. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more about IELTS speaking exam. See you in the next video. Good luck.